Hey creatives, I hope you are doing well. Now if you have ever struggled to design a poster that actually gets noticed, this video is for you. I am taking you step by step through the process of creating this stunning nightclub poster that doesn't just look good but sells the vibe. And by the end of this tutorial, I'll share a pro design tips you won't find in most tutorials and the tricks that make your poster sometimes stand out and deliver an impact in a crowded feed. So you can stick around, you don't want to miss that final touch. Now let us dive in. Go to Files, create a new file using these dimensions. Document unit, use pixels and page width, then 8, page height 1350, create, and go to pixels, create a new fill layer, choose black color depending on choices, but myself going to use black color, and go to File, place an image, and go to selection brush tool, select the subject. So you can adjust your brush here, brush width, and subtract some areas that are not supposed to be included. Then if you are finished, go to pixels, use pixel selection, feathers, apply one pixels, then go to layer mask, Control D to deselect. I think you see some details to the edges of this subject. So there are multiple ways to remove these details, but this time I'm going to use a brush tool to remove these details. So select your mask and go to paint brush, reduce the brush width, and sometimes even this flow of the brush depending to your subject. So I'm going too fast because of time. Now go to adjustments, add brightness and contrast around 20-25%, enough, then press OK. Then group brightness, adjustments and image, then mesh selected. Now let us create a background. Go to Files and press an object. This time you can press this one, bring it below, go to Files again, This time press. If you are finished, then add layer mask to both. Select the mask above, go to brush tool. Let us start erasing unwanted areas like this. Also go back to the object below, select mask, also erase. And go back to adjustments, then the color, choose green. And go to the background below, Ctrl J, duplicate and bring above the color adjustment. Change color to darker green. And reduce opacity around 35. Then select the fill color above and the fill color below, then group and rename as background. And let us add some draw details. Go to an ellipse, create an ellipse and choose color. Choose fill color to green. Go to FX and choose Gaussian blur around 88.4 pixels. Ctrl J, hold the Alt key and drag to another side, to duplicate it. Go to the subject above, add mask layer, go to brush tool and erase some areas or unwanted areas. Make sure you choose a foreground color to black. Ctrl J to duplicate it and go back to the subject below. Go to adjustments and the recolor. Choose a green color. Then clip mask the recolor adjustments to the subject below. Hold your mouse and drop it to the image below. Then go to the subject above, select mask and go to paintbrush tool. Now start erasing unwanted areas. Follow the process. Make sure the forecolor is black. Now let me add some reflection of light to this subject. To do so, go to an ellipse, create an ellipse to this subject. And you don't need to be perfect. And go to fill color, change to green. If you are finished, go to FX, choose Gaussian blur around this. Now group both an ellipse above to the subject below. Group them and rename as subject. And now go back to the object below. You may select both of them or choose one and go to FX, apply Gaussian blur. For this setting. If you are finished, close the tab. Go back to another object, repeat the same process. Apply Gaussian as follows. If you are finished, close the tab. Then let us go back to subject above and select the mask. Go to paintbrush tool, adjust the brush width, navigate the design to zoom out, and start painting the grass of the subject to create a reflection of light to add impression of your design. Now if you are finished, go to text tool and create a text as follows. Choose a white color. Change font to cardboard. Align them to the center. Then go to FX. Select the heading. Go to FX. This time choose outer glow. Change color following the background. Green. Add the radius around 20 pixels. Get a rectangle. Change fill color to red. Align to the center. So if you want to be a pro in a design, you must be careful with alignment. Alignment is very important. Now let us continue. Go to text tool. This time choose font setup. Choose medium. Now this time let's change font to Alpha Bright. Then if you are finished, go to FX and choose outer shadow. Opacity around 40, radius 86, 24 pixels, 1.1 pixels offset, and intensity 85%. 30 pixels. Yes, looks good. Now allow me to copy a text that I prepared before so that we can now check alignment. As I've said, the alignment, one of the principles of design, and to the center. Okay, go to file and press an object. Let us place this band of green around this. Now let us add some details as a shadow to create a realistic use a black color and go to FX, choose Gaussian blur, apply this setting. Now go to background and let us reduce opacity around this. Okay, this was just an idea on how to create a stunning poster, and I hope you have got something from this design. Now if I could ask you a question, what have you learned or get from this design? Actually, if I were you, I could say the use of glow effect, especially this green light that represent an energy and vibe, and also typography, and highlight the use of color. Color matters to any design, especially a green color. As I've said, it brings energy and vibe. So I hope you get something from this design. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe for the next tutorials and designing tips. Thank you and see you until next time. My name is Boniface and here is my Cambo Creatives.